Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have to repair one washing machine. It is brand wise LG. According to the customer, it's showing some error message. We already checked. We found the error message. It is showing LE. Actually, it is any problem with the DD motor, direct drive, or any other conventional type belt drive motor. It should be the check motor brush. Otherwise, if it is DD, this machine, LG machine, it is having DD motor. We have to check the what is the exactly problem. This is actually while running time, it's making abnormal noise also. It should be the problem with the, definitely it is with the problem with the LE mean motor problem. It is DD motor. We have to check stator damage. Otherwise, we have to check it is Hall sensor. Both of them we have to check properly. First of all, we have to remove the back cover. After that, we have to remove the stator, also Hall sensor. After that only we have to decide what was the problem exactly. If it is stator or Hall sensor, it is okay. Both of them okay. We have to check the main control board. But I'm thinking it is not problem with the main control, but we have to check properly the stator and what do you call that Hall sensor. Let's see. Let me check. First of all, we have to remove the back cover. After that, we have to remove the motor, rotor, and after that only we can check the stator. Let's see. We will go to the next step. Thank you. We have to remove the 4 screws from the back cover. It is already corroded back side. We have to remove the rotor screw. It is 17 number. This way we have to remove. It's very easy to remove. Okay, now we have to check straight any damage or something, but look like it is no any damage. Then next step we have to check the Hall sensor here back of the stator, here Hall sensor. Let's check. First we have to remove the stator. This is stator. We have to remove the stator, this 6 screws 10 number, and let me remove this 10 screws. After that we can remove the stator and we can check Hall sensor. Now we already remove the 6 screws from the stator and we can take it out like that. Now we have to check the again properly stator. It is nothing any problem. Look like it is okay. And we have to check this one only. This is Hall sensor. We can remove like that. Here no any bearing damage, seal, everything's are okay. Drum rotating smoothly. The only the problem drum not rotating and making abnormal noise from the stator. This is the problem I'm thinking now. It is already confirmed. Stator is okay, but we have to check the Hall sensor. After replacing Hall sensor, we will check. We will try again. If it is turning without any error message, without any abnormal noise, it is our job is finished. But let me change the Hall sensor. we have to remove the whole sensor. This is one lock here, and careful without breaking. We have to remove this one, and like this, and here also two lock. Here after that we can take very easy to take it out. Here two locks, here one lock. We will replace this whole sensor and we will check again. Now I'm going to replace the new hall sensor. Let me check it is working or not. If it is work, it is okay. Otherwise we have to check next step, power control box. Hopefully I'm thinking after replacing it will be okay now. Just let me check with the new hall sensor and we will try with this. We have to fix like that. Here one lock, as same before I told you. I'll show you. It is the lock here. It's like that. It's very easy. And now already fixed. Now we have to give the connection. And we will fix again later. We tight all the screws properly. It's like this. After that, we can fix rotor like this. So it's enough tight. Now we will give the power and we will check. And I will select only the direct spin, 13 minutes, and we will start. Yes, it's working. No any abnormal noise. Before it came like a rubbing, humming noise. Now it's nothing. Now it's only the drain motor noise coming. No any problem with the stator. Now motor is running. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check the Q test and I will power on off. Before, when I'm checking with the Q test, suddenly it will coming LE error. It's not taking maximum RPM because of that. Now we will check again Q test. It's like that. I will press start pause one time with the drain motor and stator slowly running, and second press it will come high speed. And I will press third time, it will come maximum RPM 1000. Not showing any error message, nothing. LE is already disappear because we we occurred the problem, we troubleshoot the problem, only the problem with the Hall sensor. Now it is okay, our job done. We can deliver to the customer itself today. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet again another video as same. Thank you very much.